This is the Honda Clarity, and if you wonder what A012 service code means, you can easily check it and any other code here, and settings, vehicle, and down here maintenance info, and select reset items, and here you see all the items and what they mean. So the A item means oil and filter, 0 chassis inspection, I will explain it in a minute, tire rotation 1, and 2 dust and pollen filter. Dust and pollen filter is this filter, the cabin air filter. Let's say it's not the engine air filter. So what everything is understandable, but what is chassis inspection? Well, chassis inspection means that you need to inspect brakes, inspect suspension, inspect fluid levels, exhaust system, high voltage battery cover, and fuel lines. This is what Honda owner's manual says. But you don't need to repair this, of course. You need to just inspect and make sure that everything is dry, everything looks good, and nothing requires service among these items.